Guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me. I'm going to make a cute card today, and we're going to be using a few items that, well, maybe just one item. We're going to be using some of these that came in our February kit, and they're little hearts and sequins and that kind of thing, little glitter. We're going to be using some of those in here. So I have cut out a frame, and I cut it out kind of crooked so that it would sit to the side. And this is just one of those photo frames that you can get from just about anywhere. You may have one of those little cutters that cuts it. I did have one, but I ended up selling it to somebody that wanted it really, really bad, so I sold it to them. We're going to stamp this. It just says "With Love," and this is from the Signature Collection of Rustic Cottage. And if I can find that, I'll link it below. And I'm going to practice on here just for a minute to see if it's gonna stamp okay. I'll need to press a little bit harder than I think it will. There we go. When I haven't used a stamp before, I like to make sure on something else that it stamps well before I mess up my real project. We're just gonna stamp that down on the bottom. There we go. It just says "With Love." And then I have a card base. This is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I have a piece of that same paper from the Prima, what is it called? Prima. I used it yesterday. Misty Rose. I absolutely love this paper. Let's see which way's up. I think it's that way. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to put that down. So we have a little gold frame that's basically the same color of that little gold flicking in there, and a little piece of acetate that we're going to glue down to the back. So we're going to put some of our foam tape on the back. Then we are going to pour our little sequins in here. And I have some little, there were little brads in there too, so I'm going to take the little brads out because we don't need those in here. There we go. Then we're going to peel this back off really carefully. Try not to lift your card so it makes the card pop, because if it does, usually the little sequins pop around and then they will get stuck on the tape. And they like to stick to me for some reason. I must have lots of static in my body. There we go. And then we're going to use the other side of that paper to put right on the back. Just like that. Okay, and that's how we're going to put that. And then I'm going to use a little stamp that we have. And it just says "With Love." I'm going to stamp that in black. Then let's trim that out. Okay, we're going to glue this down right up here at the top. So I'm just going to use some art glitter glue. And it goes at an angle because that's just the way it cut out. I cut this out on my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you can still get one of these. Just get you a photo or something offline and use that to trim you one out, or you can trim one out by hand probably. And then I'm just going to put some dots around of glue, and I'm going to use some of these extra sequins to put it around the outside as if they had fallen out. So we'll put one right there. Okay guys, that is our card. I hope you enjoyed this today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, when that little bell pops up, to click that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. And that is it. That's our shaker card. Sorry about the glare, but everything on here is really glittery. Isn't that cute though? Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks so much. Bye bye.